3/4. So up to this line right there. Keep going, bro. That's how you win. Come on over, kiddo. No, you're still going. Don't. I hear you. That's not true. Keep going. I'm gonna tell you. There. That's good. I got the same thing. Okay, and it says, add 10 drops of your favorite food coloring. So after that, add a tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna go get a tablespoon. Put your fruit, let him do it. 10, I'll let you do the next one, kiddo.
Put 5 of this, I'll try this. Oh, you want this? Does it make purple? Ready?
I'm coming.
1,
Don't
2, 3,
do it without Sammy.
4.
Okay.
He's putting a sweater on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're making purple.
Okay.
What about?
Now,
Okay. Now it says,
what is that?
okay, put 3 tablespoons
Of water?
of water in there. Just,
Can I go?
you can watch.
He's moving. He's moving. Blood now.
Good? Throw that in there. Just leave it in there. The spoon. Leave the spoon in here. Okay, so this 15 milliliters. Or 1 package, yeah. I got one for you to do with us in a little while. You better. Put it and then put it in there. Then you gotta mix it. And it says that if we don't put enough, the yeast, there's nothing really. It says, okay, mix it up in there. Mix it up real good. For a while, like 30 seconds, 40 seconds. It says, you should put it with the funnel.
It looks like bread.
Yeah, that's what they make bread with. Okay.
This guy's
Hold on, we still gotta keep.
Ew.
Yeah.
It's like a fudge.
Yeah, toasted.
kind of dangerous.
Did we do the dish soap already?
Nope.
Okay, let me read what we do with the dish soap.
And I can use it too.
So now,
They're 5.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. I think we should put that. Does it go with? Okay, so 10 drops of your favorite. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and mix it around a bit. Okay. Okay.
You are good, right?
Go ahead and fill it up. No, over here. Yeah, it's going in here. Fill it all the way up.
let's see.
Put it off to the side.
Now the last thing.
Alright. I think you mix that with that in a second. Hold on.
What is that?
It's like peanut butter.
It looks like peanut butter.
Well, it's just water.
Should be the consistency of melted ice cream. Is that melted ice cream, kind of?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Let's put a little more water in there, see if it'll tastes more like ice cream. Because it looks more like peanut butter, you know? Oops, that might be too much. Oh well, we'll get over it.
I think that's a bit like ice cream.
Hold on, we'll what to do? Use the funnel for the yeast water mixture into the bottle. Okay, so as soon as you throw that in there, it's supposed to go.
Yeah, you have to take it off.
Huh?
Take it off.
Take what off? You don't want the funnel? The
Yeah.
funnel's what's supposed to help it go in.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Watch out! That was exciting when you put that.
Oh, you're blaming the funnel.
That's more fun when
We're We're gonna do another one.
I know. Yeah, because it is.
Okay. Wait.
Wait,
Get back.
push it, yeah.
Get back.
It's kind of hot.
Do it. Is it hot?
Kinda. It's warm.
Jaden. What? Not your face.
Watch out for your face.
Oh, it's steaming.
It's steaming.
Is it hot on your skin?
Yep.
There's water over there. Go touch the water. If it's too hot. You went to that water. There's a hose behind you.
There's a hose, Jaden. It's not hot. Like at all. Yo, it's green.
Let me try it again. We'll see if we can get it. Hey, chill. Damien. Don't wet him.
I don't want my skin
You don't need
to turn
this.
green.
Oh, man. We don't need this. All right, let's try again. Let's do. Damien gets to do this one. You can help him, Jaden, now that you know, okay?
Damien.
Huh.
How do we clean that? Sammy!
Sammy, can you give me the hose? Where's my Coke bottle?
Oh, he's watching mine. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this.
You want for it? We fixed it this morning, so you pour it. Alright. I pour two. I mean, you pour two. I pour two.
That's right. Yeah? All right. Did you do it?
Yep.
Now what?
Now you add the coming more.
You get
No. Stop. No.
You get 5 drops. I get 5 drops. You go first. Bro, my skin's green now, bro.
No, Mabel. No, Sammy. Not right now. We're not here to play that.
3, 4.
We're not here to get wet. You're already cold. You got a sweater on.
1, 2.
Just chill.
That's enough. Yeah. Warm.
Oh, go
You're
tell Mom.
Yeah. But two.
Okay, so check it out. What you guys didn't do last time was
Now it's Coke.
you didn't mix it. I'm gonna get this.
I am gonna. You have to go one more time to kill you. You suck. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's swimming like this. You should know.
It's okay.
Put more. You have to put more.
Just put it straight. Just squeeze it. Don't do a ton of it, but just do it straight. No. Just do it straight in. That's it, you think? Look at all this he dropped.
That's good.
Okay. Or after this, if we have enough hydrogen
We
peroxide.
just
Go for it. Yeah. You need a little more water. There's a bunch of. It's not that hot. There's a bunch on the side right there.
Kinda hot. Smells like bread. No.
You don't like bread? It's warm.
You need more water.
Hey, you don't need those.
Isn't that bad? You put more water?
Tiny bit water, kiddo. There's a lot of sugar. It's just stuff dumb.
You're gonna put it in here, right? Hold it, and when I put it in, you just take it out and spoon. Okay? Ready?
Put it in.
Take it out instantly. Take it out instantly. Take it out.
What the?
Oh, thank you.
It's kind of getting
It's purple.
It didn't blow up like Mark Robert.
Hot.
But the one he uses has like.
Oh, have you seen this double toothpaste?
They said
filled
that
up a whole pool.
if you
Yeah, I did.
if you touch his though, it's hot, right? Like you could burn yourself.
Yeah.
Because he has
He's
secret
about to do
ingredients.
Something crazy. Watch out.
This was nice.
Maple feels
This
it.
was nice.
Oh, it feels very nice. Wait, no, let's keep it. Keep the bottle away from when we...
It's soap. It's soap.
Yeah, but
I got it already.
Damien did this to me.
oh, it's all on her face, dude.
I'm washing my hands.
I slapped
All
her
good.
hand. It's still going. It's still peeing.
think that's what the chemical reaction does? That's why it's delicate.
Lilo, come here. I'm gonna wash your face.
Hey, stop.
Lilo.
All right, Pooch. We got the dish soap. Hey, stop waiting for the dish soap.
Cool.
We're gonna use this after to wash dishes. Okay, now we just gotta make. We just gotta
Yeast
make
and water, but
the yeast.
it's fine. I already had coffee.
Where did I put? Okay. Watch out, kiddo. I'm right behind you. Ready, Pooch?
There's no water.
So we use that water. Some of it in. That's good. Okay, mix it up.
You have to make this hot. I think it's the yeast.
What do you think? What do you mean? Why you think it's the yeast?
I think the yeast. The more yeast you add, the more hot it goes.
So you when you do it at home, do 2 yeast. Double everything up. Maybe it'll go higher and far. And hold on. There you go. Dump it in that yellow thing.
Whoa.
You get to squeeze the bottle. Squeeze it up. It is a little warm.
Probably,
Yeah, it's warm.
probably the yeast.
It is hot. Ooh, it's not like hot, like a burn you hot, but it's definitely warm. That's crazy. Boogie, come wash my hands, please.
That's Play-Doh, huh?
Go back to water.
Bro, it feels like a shower temperature.
We're gonna be turning all kinds of colors. Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, it's warm.
That's what I said.
This one's finally warm.
Yeah, I think that the longer you mix the yeast, the better.
Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Mine. No. Oh, mine is still intact.
Mine out, boy.
No.